Here in the laundry, we make sure that all the offenders' clothes is washed, they're dried, as well as the officer uniforms. We make sure they're brought in so they have those clean clothes that they need to come every day to perform their job duty. Just be able to just interact and just be hands-on. Really, I'm a hands-on person. So even here in the laundry, I even hands-on help press, help hang clothes, and whatever's needed to get the job done. I've been with the agency 28 years. Starting off, it was, how it is. I'm just gonna work 5 years and do something else. I worked for the agency and I started seeing the interact. I love to interact with my coworkers and try to make a difference in their lives and uplifting. So before you knew it, 10 years came and 15 years came. And I love it here. I've been here the whole time at Goree Unit, the whole time I've been in the agency, so it's been good to me. And try to make an impact difference on everyone I encounter. Try to uplift, and that's the main thing, is making sure everybody's in good spirits, especially the environment that we work in. We never know what our co-workers are going through, even the offenders, what they're going through. So it's good to try to be a positive light. Oh, it's real important, because I know for the offenders that are missing their loved ones, and some may never go home, but at least I can reach one person and make a difference in one of their lives to give them that hope, that they need to know that life is not over. But and so I know it's real important to keep encouraging. It's like I'm a magnet to, and of course, my faith, my beliefs allows me to be that light. Really have a heart concern for people.